Every second, every day I spend hoping we never change. Love anew, never wait or hesitate to tell me what is on your mind. Really do enjoy your company. I think